Those days I spent with you. All this time, I've lived in hope of telling you how sorry I am.
Don't go!
But
I can't explain it. There's no way I can forgive what you did to Kanai or my dad. I'll never get them back. But I can't. I can't let you go knowing that you'll hurt people. There's already too much in my life that I regret. I want to put a stop to the bloodshed. Besides, I love that lonely little girl I met so long ago. And I love Miu. She's like nobody I've ever met.
Koda.
You like it? What? Why else would you be staring?
I just thought it was a pretty song, that's all.
Really?
Wow! What is that thing? He's so big! He's huge! How'd he ever get this big? Wow!
Hey! Your face is dirty!
Where did you go to draw today?
Oh, up in the mountain. I met this really strange girl.
You met a girl up there?
Here you go. If those horns are giving you trouble, maybe you should hide them.
I wanted to forget everything, so nothing could ever come between us.